what's up, YouTube? What up, what up, what up, what up? Okay, I'm over here kicking it at my church, alright? My church. I was gonna say chapel, but some of you guys don't even know what a chapel is, Nowadays, jeez. You guys don't even know what a church is. You guys probably don't even go to church. I'm not just kidding. I'm just playing. You guys do. Or if you don't, then you probably will in the future. So I'm over here at my church, and I'm trying to vlog, but at the same time, trying to keep it on the DL because I don't want people to walk in. Playing the piano, baby. Well, let me show you guys something real quick. This is really me playing, all right? I know I suck at playing. I never took piano lessons. I actually all right, here we go. Oh, hold on.
What was that?
Can you guys hear that?
I don't have them.
So anyways, I'm hearing some come from the speakers up over here. See the speaker right here? See the speaker?
We, the two of us, have a tally on the end.
It's coming from the speaker, so I gotta go turn it off. Oh, here it is. See this control panel? See that right there? This is how you turn it down, watch. Can you hear it? See? Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, I have solved the problem. You guys probably thought I was gonna play that music up in the speaker and pretend like I was playing the piano. I ain't that fake. I'm fake, but I'm not that fake. I'm just playing, I'm not fake. I'm all real, baby. Check this out. This is gangsta right here. I'll show you true gangsta. You guys want to know gangsta? A guy that can sit like this and play this song right over here. Right over here. Watch. Check this out. Oh, whoa, whoa. Now that's true gangsta right there. Yeah, I'm not just playing. I hear people outside, so I'm about to get busted playing piano. I hope they don't come in. Let's keep an eye on the doors. So if they walk in, you guys can catch them with me. Alright. Okay, so anyways, I learned this song. I never took piano lessons. I actually just enjoy watching people play piano. So, from a lot of YouTube videos or just growing up, every time I come to church, I see people playing, Boys to Men. Man, that was real music back in the 90s, man. They'd be playing Boys to Men, Mariah Carey, Whitney Houston music on the piano. So, What's up, man? What's your name? Huh? Oh, he's kind of shy right now. He doesn't want to say his name. And that was the door closing. So anyways, back to my little spiel about, real music. So I come to church, Wednesdays and Sundays and whenever days, and I'd see, these people playing the piano. And it was just like, dang, how do they play it, Alright, anyways, so I was like, man, I gotta teach myself. So I started to, slowly learn the, the whole, I'm doing it with one hand. If I could show you guys here, hold on. This song, I'm talking about this song. See, I don't even know. It's been a long time, but that was like the first song that I learned was that one. Anyway, so that was the first song that I was like, man, I'm actually pretty good. Dang, I'm the best in the world. Man, so I was like excited. I went and told my parents, I'm like, man, I can play the piano. They're like, all right, well, play this song. And I'm like, I don't know how to play that song. I just know how to play this one song. Anyway, so I started playing that. And for the longest, that was the only song I knew how to play. So, but even to this day, that's actually like that song and this other song is the only song I know how to play. But so I just barely learned this song, and I'm not very good. Like some people say, I'm not playing the proper way because I always keep my middle finger up. Like I never usually use my middle fingers. But hey, you know, I wasn't taught how to play piano, so it's not my fault, right? All right, here we go. I'm gonna play. I think his name's John Lennon that sang this song, or one of the Beatles. It's called Imagine. I don't even know the words to the song, so I'm gonna just play it on piano. And here we go. I'm gonna just like sometimes I'll throw in my own words, like imagine all the people, living in harmony, and then I'll just repeat the same thing. So don't mind the words, just pay attention to the music, baby. No, just kidding. Here we go. Imagine. Oh dang, I screwed up. Here we go. Yeah? That was my wife interrupting me like usual. Jeez. Watch who, Jackson?
Grab Jack. Trina, grab Jack.
It's not my job to watch Jackson.
What?
What?
Yeah, it is.
No, it ain't.
You made him too. Jack, Trina.
Ooh, shut down. Imagine that, ladies and gentlemen.
Jackson. Hurry, Daddy wants some. Hurry, Daddy wants some.
Alright, Joe. I gotta go watch my son. Peace.